We've done a lot of design work for Swanage Pier, including printed leaflets like these ones, on their way to help promote the pier's very own local radio station, Purbeck Coast FM. We created and installed wall designs for the 1859 Café Bistro and Marine Villas, and dressed these underfloor stage sets to interpret the Regency saltwater baths for which Marine Villas was originally built. We designed a top 10 things to do trail, with each box suggesting a different adventure on the pier. Between the light and airy cafe and gift shop, we designed the exhibition space to give the feeling of being under the pier, with a slatted ceiling lit from above and bespoke shipwreck-style cladding to the display cabinets, touchscreen plinth and aquarium. We also created a new brand for the Swanage Pier Trust and applied it to merchandising and a brand new website.